Basically, my project is a simple security system based on a motion detector or ultrasonic detector in my case. So I'm going to use this ultrasonic sensor as a motion sensor to detect any movement around and generate a light signal and a buzzer. Also, the code will display a message that will say call 911 while this buzzer and the light, like the buzzer beeping, keeps beeping and the light is on. I connected the ultrasonic or ultrasound sensor. So basically, the UCC was connected on the 5 volt outlet in the groove in the board, and the G and D as well was connected in the G and D outlet there. In terms of the trig outlet on the board and the echo, I connected them to the D12 and D13 on the panel. So I'm going to execute the system to show how it may function. So basically, that's the code here. Let me make sure that it does everything. Is it clear? Yep. So yeah, basically I called the Arduino, then I used the while loop with one F function. So I'm going to play this, play, and now we will notice that the groove is lighting there, and here we go. It sends the motion, the light turned on, and the buzzer is on. Also, we have the message calling, like saying call 911. So far, that's the system so far. It's a simple idea, not really complicated, um, but yeah, that's all. I also forgot to mention that I have coded the program to be able to be shut down by pressing on D6. So basically, I can end the program by just pressing, D6, and that will be it. Thank you. So I'm going to explain the code and what exactly I did in my major project. I was actually supposed to get a monitor or a screen, an extra screen that is supposed to be connected to the board itself, so I can display the call 911 message. But for some reason, I got a defective one, and unfortunately, I couldn't do it. So I had to use the quest dialog function to display the message on MATLAB. And so basically, what I did is I called Arduino, and I also called the ultrasonic sensor as well. I used D12 and D12 and D13. So D12 was supposed to be the echo for the represent the echo for the ultrasonic sensor, and D13 it was the trigger for the ultrasonic sensor, which is basically mainly what the main project is all about. Um, I assigned everything to 0, and I started my while loop. I cleared the distance values and assigned read distance function to the distance. So the distance variable is represented by whatever voltage or values are kind of calculated or sensed by the ultrasonic sensor that I have. I used one F cycle, so just to modify the distance or the diameter that the sensor will be kind of feeling or sensing. and I use the other functions like for the write PWM duty cycle for D5, which is the buzzer. That was the function that will give me the beeping sound, as well as the write digital pen to trigger the light on the board. I assigned curve to the distance variable in here, and that was pretty much it. I wrote the byte digital pin for like if this couldn't be triggered, it would be 0 0. So I assigned 0 for the D5 and D4, which is the light and the sensor. I also added a function at the end for D6, the bottom, just so I can shut down the whole system by pressing D6 bottom on the board itself.